Hello everybody. Today I am with Mr. Michael. He's from Malta, and I'm gonna ask him what type of products he has and what type of business he is doing, and he's gonna give us some brief information about his company and his products. Okay, Mr. Michael, how are you?
First of all, it's our pleasure that we are coming from Malta to your stand, and it's our pleasure from me and from my team in Malta to come visiting you, and we can learn more about your products, and we can show your products on Facebook and even on television stations in Malta. Right now we are in Istanbul Fair, and we are in the stand of Interpen.
And Pidosan
Interpen and Pidosan stand.
Super.
Right now, me and Mr. Mike that help us a lot every day in our business in Malta to bring us information and solve every problem that we have with our clients on the PVC section, to show all the products that Interpen and even Pidosan companies manufacturing and have for the local market.
Okay, super.
Right now,
I will talk with Mr. Mike about some product details. Let's see, Mr. Mike, can you show us what type of product you have?
So-
Just a very brief information.
in Malta, most of the popular systems that we are fixing our guys and our teams, it's 60 series, and that 60 series have a good final touches, even the handles, even the corners. That is welding every all with special machines. And, they using a special and latest technology machines.
Okay.
And even the accessories. The accessories of Interpen is too much high level. Even the machines.
Okay, what else?
Even the-
Other series? 70 series, I guess.
Also, we can use 70 series.
Yes.
70 series for we install every day in Malta. The advantages that have from 60 series, it is because a little bit bigger and can reduce more cold and more noise.
Isolation is better.
Isolation is better.
And the new coming is, I guess, 82, huh?
82 series. It's a little bit higher than 70 series, and even this product we install a lot in Malta. Even the isolation, 82 series, what they have more, they have another gasket, so they can reduce more the noise and the cold.
Okay.
Even Mike, we are here. Even we install 95% of our apertures. We do in 6 screens.
Okay.
In 6 screens in our market, it's one of the main product that we sell with every window.
Okay, and
We have this type of system that is very famous in Malta.
super.
And every client who they order the nets, they tell me, Mike, we need the nets.
Super.
And we're gunning for Interpen in 6 screens with this type of system.
Okay, and can you show me also Hiba Shiba a little bit? And I'm gonna just finalize the. Okay, just Hiba Shiba, please, Mr. Mike. Mr. Hiba Shiba. Go. Go. Yes.
Mike, Hiba Shiba, it's one of the toppest product that you have. Interpen. People in Malta, our customers, they love it. Even my employees to do the installation. Thanks to your guys that come and engineers that comes in Malta to show us how to do the perfect installation about this product.
Okay. Can you just show us how it works?
Hiba Shiba, for me, I love it, the system, because
Okay.
one of the advantages that have that with one finger, a big door like this, I can move it.
Super.
It's a it's something that another system is. You
Just show me a little bit garage doors and you have
another
yes?
thing.
Yes.
This system, you can go for a huge doors, for a huge doors and for a huge sizes. Even if you want like this system, when you don't use it, the pressure of the wheels, it is not on it because you just turn the handle and the door, the glass, it's not on the bearings. In Malta, we also do it in four. So we have fixed part and fixed part,
Okay.
and two open and two open and two open.
Okay. And the last one is shutters and garage doors.
Right now we are starting installing a lot of this type of jobs, and we have an expert guy, that have over 15 years experience on this sector to do installation in Malta. Roller shutters, Mike, and even also we're fixing sectional doors in Malta from they buy it from your
You mean
company.
roller shutter and sectional garage
Yes,
doors?
and sectional garage doors. We are so happy, Michael, with the systems, and
Okay.
I hopefully that in the future days and times we are growing and fixing this product.
Okay, my last question is, please, if you want to tell something about your company and your product, what you can tell to your friends that in Malta?
Yes, Michael, if I need to tell something to my clients, they can visit us our showroom that we are doing in Tart Industrial Zone. It is a center in Malta on the main road. We have all the models, all the systems that Dosan and Interpen they manufacturing and done, and our team can help us the clients and to go on the place on site and see the job. Our company in Malta and Dosan they organize everything and bring a good quotation and a good
Okay.
idea for their job.
Okay, Mike, thank you very much for your brief information.
Thank you, Mike.
All right, thank you very much. Good day.